we founded PharmaToppers. So we call PharmaToppers is a product of NIPER. Now, so what exactly GPAT is? So GPAT is actually the way towards the NIPER and way towards the success. So GPAT, Gratitude Aptitude Pharmacy Test, initially it was GATE. Before 2011, in till 2010 it was a GATE, but from 10 or 2011, the Pharmacy Council of India, they have started conducting separate examination. They have separated out from the GATE to, they renamed it to GPAT. So like IIT, to getting into very good colleges, engineering students, they have to qualify GPAT. Like life sciences students, if they are bachelors, or either they wanted to go to the pharmacy masters in studies or in any other studies, they have to qualify GATE in life sciences. But similarly for the pharmacy students, if you want to go for a higher study, not only for the higher study but also for to make your own identity in the field of pharmacy, GATE is the very first step and a very crucial step for your entire pharmacy career. So if I have to talk about why pharmacy, right? Definitely, you. I hope we have a participants from second year, third year, and a final year. When I was in a pharmacy, when I took admission in a pharmacy, definitely the very first question was why pharmacy. And if definitely even my seniors has also told me why you took the admission in the pharmacy, and each and everyone must have came across with this question, why you joined pharmacy as your career. So guys, I'll tell you, I don't know how proud you are to being a part of a pharmacy profession. I would tell you I'm very fortunate, that I'm really lucky that I am in the profession of a pharmacy. So not only just because I know pharmacy, but NIPER is the place, or GPAT is the thing, or GPAT is the exam which help us to understand what pharmacy it is. So we have, I'll tell you, for GPAT, I studied for 16 hours a day, 12 hours a day, at least 12 hours a day. I was studying for the GPAT during my preparation time. I have started my preparation in 2000, sorry, in the year of second year last, or beginning of the third year. Then I prepared it for the for those years, and I could able to qualify the GPAT. So GPAT, once I qualify GPAT, when I enter into NIPER, it changed actually entire my life. So currently I am in UK. I'm currently addressing you guys from the UK. I'm in Oxford right now, and I would say just because of the NIPER and just because of the GPAT, because I wouldn't have entered into the NIPER unless I could have qualified the GPAT. So as you know, GPAT is the very first step to enter into the world of a pharmacy. I would say you are right now in just a pharmacy profession. If you wanna test the exact what are the advantages of pharmacy, what you can do in the profession of pharmacy, I would say you can do lot many things. But to see the other side of the pharmacy, you have to qualify the GPAT, the very basic exam, I would say the very first step. So, what we are going to discuss with you today is, scope of a pharmacy, higher studies in the field of pharmacy, what you can do in the field of pharmacy. The institutes, what are the institutes are available for the higher studies. We would definitely would like to talk about NIPER, and lot many things about the GPAT and about the pharmaceuticals, the product of NIPER. So, as I said, there are a lot of scope in the pharmacy. uh, as you know, you are, as being a pharmacy profession, you are actually responsible for drug discovery. And so there are a lot many technologies available right there, like artificial intelligence, blockchain, these each and every all this recent technologies are being used in the field of drug discovery, which I'll definitely share in the coming slides, how in the scope of pharmacy. So again to start with GPAT. So GPAT is actually the very you first step for you to get into the world, the other side of the pharmacy. And with the GPAT, you will get an admission to all the big colleges of India. I would say the very first is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, which we call it as NIPER. Then you will have an opportunity to get an admission into Banaras University, BHU, which is also called IIT BHU, UIPS, Punjab University, Manipal, DIPSAR, Delhi Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, UICT, Mumbai, BITS. BITS also have pharmacy profession in their campus. You can get admission into Sagar Institute, Jamia, and definitely your home university called Maharaja Sayajirao University. So all these institutes requires uh, GPAT valid scorecard or GPAT qualification. So it's always good to have a degree, or I would say education from the India's very well reputed institutions, so that it's not only about studying in those reputed institutions, it's all about what kind of culture we get in those institutions during our, let's say, during our master studies. So you must be knowing there are a lot of traditional courses out there, and this left side actually talks about all those traditional courses: pharmaceutics, pharmacology, medicinal chemistry, pharmacognosy, formulation, process chemistry, regulatory. But I hope you also might know about all those other professional careers in the pharmacy, like pharmaceutical MBA, pharmacoinformatics, pharmacy practice, biotechnology. You can do pharmaceutical biotechnology in the NIPER, then packaging and material science, clinical research and pharmacovigilance. These are other the recent fields in the field of pharmacy, which has got open for the pharmacy students. So I'm a pharmacoinformatician. I did my masters and PhD from the pharmacoinformatics department, NIPER. And uh, what exactly we do in the pharmacoinformatics is we apply artificial intelligence, we apply blockchain technology into the drug discovery area. As you know, drug discovery is a very, very long process and tedious and very time consuming, and at the same time, it's a very cost sensitive process. Pharma companies has to spend billions of dollars to discover a drug, right? But just because of the artificial intelligence, and drug discovery is a process of 15 years to 20 years, still you don't know whether your molecule will get success in the FDA approval or not. But because of the artificial intelligence, because of the blockchain technology, because of this all this recent advanced technologies, the entire drug discovery cycle has been reduced down to less than a 10 years, I would say, not more than 7 to 8 years. At the same time, the cost from billions of dollar has got reduced down to the millions of dollar. That's it. So that each and every pharmaceutical company can take that risk to discover a drug. So it's all to go into that phase of your profession. You have to qualify GPAT. You have to enter into one of the India's best institutions, and then you have to get into, maybe you have to get into job, or if you have to go for your own business, it's your choice. But yes, if you have to study all these recent fields, or if you have to get your degree into those fields and you have to build your career in those areas, definitely you have to qualify GPAT. That's why today's title is a way to success, a way for your next future. GPAT is the very first gate in your path, in your road. Unless you open that gate, the entire world, you will miss the entire other side of the world of pharmacy, which is really better. What you think about pharmacy is very different, and what exactly pharmacy profession is actually different. Why I'm more talking about the pharmacy profession and uh, about more about this field is I face myself. I was told that pharmacy is not a very good career. Pharmacy people, even when we talk, when we go to the relatives or when we go anywhere, they usually say, "अच्छा तू medical B farm कर रहा है मतलब medical डालेगा." Right? Everybody might have faced this problem. So guys, this is not only about starting a medical shop. Pharmacy is not only limited to that. Tell them we can do lot many things. So I would say there are several examples. Many of my juniors from NIPER, they are in a various European countries. They are doing their PhD, they are doing their job, and they are in a field. They are also in the field of artificial intelligence, drug discovery using artificial intelligence, like AstraZeneca, Excentia, each everywhere in the Europe and US. So a pharmacy profession student